Hello everyone, my name is Suraj Kumar and I'm a third year student of BSc Honours Data Science and Artificial Intelligence at IIT Guwahati. In this video, I am presenting my term project titled IT Service Desk Ticket Classification using Machine Learning. So in this project, I have built an intelligent system that automatically classifies IT support tickets into the correct category and also routes them to the appropriate team. And all this happening by the use of natural language processing and machine learning. So let me walk you through the complete project. So let me first explain what is the problem we are solving. So in large IT organizations, thousands of support tickets are raised every single day by the employees. These tickets can be of any issues like hardware issues, software errors, network problems, and security incidents, and many more. So currently what's happening is the service desk agents, the L1 agents manually reading each ticket and then they are deciding which category it belongs to and which team should handle it. So all this process is manual right now. So now this manual process has few drawbacks. Let me explain you three big problems. First, it's very time consuming because if they will do manually for thousands of tickets for per day, of course, it will be very much time consuming. Second, different agents may classify the same issues differently, which will cause inconsistency. And the third is if the service desk agent will assign the ticket to incorrect team, there will be delays in the resolution, right? So now the question is, can we automate this using machine learning? So let me show you that. So for this project, I have used a data set of 1,56,000 around IT service desk tickets. Okay. So these data set contains a few important fields like short description, which tells what is the issue, the category that shows what is the type of the issue, the priority, like how urgent the ticket is, and the subcategory that is like more specific issue type, and also the assignment group, which team is handling that issue. So this shows that. Now, after cleaning the data, the very first step of this model was like after gathering the data, the next step was cleaning, right? So in the cleaning part, we have removed missing values and unnecessary columns, okay? And post cleaning, we have near around 1,56,000 complete clean data that we have used for the analysis, right? Now, as you can see in the chart, security is the most common category with almost 60,000 tickets, followed by business system and enterprise hardware. Okay. So now before building the model, I performed exploratory data analysis to understand the data better. As you can see, this word cloud shows the most common words which is in the ticket description. You can see words like alert, reset, backup, job, failure. These are most frequently reported issues by the users, right? And now this chart shows the top 10 busiest assignments group. Out of those, DCS SecOps handles the most tickets over nearly over 53,000 because security incidents are the most common issues in the organization, right? Okay. So now these insights, what I got here, really helped me to understand the data before building the actual model. Okay. So let's look on the methodology which I have performed here. Okay. So I have built two models. Model one, it is predicting the category of the ticket, and the model two, which is predicting the assignment group, like which team should handle that issue. Okay. So for both the models, I have used same approach. There are two things in that. Step one was TF-IDF vectorization. It stands for term frequency inverse document frequency. So since machine learning cannot understand the text directly, TF-IDF converts the ticket description into numbers. So it gives higher importance to the words that are unique and meaningful to us. So like malware for security tickets and very lower importance to the common words like the, is, am, right? So this was based on these things. Okay. Now the step two, that is linear support vector classifier. This is the actual machine learning algorithm which I have kept here for this project. So it learns patterns from TF-IDF numbers and finds the best boundary to separate different ticket categories. Okay. So post this, like before this, I have splitted the data into 80% and 20%. So like 80% was to train the model and 20% was to test the model if it is working fine or not, right? So now let me show you the results which came. So for the model one, I've got the category prediction which we achieved the accuracy of 87.44%. And in the module 2, we have, which we built for assignment group prediction, it achieved an accuracy of 88.90%. Okay. So looking at the detailed results, security tickets achieved 99% accuracy because security related vocabulary is very unique in our data which we have, right? And enterprise hardware achieved 97% of recall, and all the details are here on the screen. Okay. Now, the most exciting part, let's do that. I will show you the live demo. Okay. So I'm going to type the real ticket description here, and our model will automatically classify them in a real time. Okay. So now we are in the testing phase. So like here is the first ticket. I am typing unable to log into system, getting authentication error. So let's see the output. Okay. So the model correctly predicted the category, which is business system. Okay. And it have automatically mentioning the assignment group name, that is SAP basis infrastructure, which is common handling for SAP issues. So this is exactly correct, which we have got from this model. So this is how beautiful it is. Okay. Now let me give you second demo. Laptop screen is blank and not turning on after restart. So let's see the output. Okay, so here we have the output category. We got desktop laptop hardware because the issue is with the hardware. So we got the category as hardware, and the assignment group is IMS Global Desk Site Support, that is on-site IT support. Again, it is perfectly correct. So let me test one more. Okay. So I'm typing now security alert ticket. Security alert triggered on workstation needs investigation. So let's see the output. Okay, so our model predicted the category as security and the assignment group is TCS SecOps. It's assigned to the SecOps team. That is also correct. So as you can see, our model correctly classifies the tickets and routes them to the right team automatically without any human intervention. So the problem earlier we were having to manually read each ticket and assign that ticket manually. We have to select the category manually. All those problems are getting fixed with this model. Okay. So to summarize, what we achieved in this project is we analyzed nearly 1.5 lakhs IT service tickets, okay, and we have built two machine learning models using natural language processing and with the techniques like TF-IDF and support vector classifier, okay, where our model one predicted the predicted the category with the accuracy of nearly 88%, and the model 8 predicted the assignment group with the uh, accuracy of 89%. Okay. So now if we deploy this into IT service desk environment to automate ticket routing, it will reduce manual effort, it will improve consistency, and it will enhance our work. And also it will be a good impression on the clients, right? So thank you so much. Let me wrap up here. Bye bye. Take care.